Today we are going to learn about how to protect our sense organ. Sense organs help us to observe and understand the world around us. There are 5 main we do this: through sight with our eyes, touch with our skin, smell with our nose, taste with our tongue, and hearing with our ears. The ways by which we can take care of our sense organ are given below. By nature, all the sense organs have some ways to protect themselves. For example, the eyelids and lashes protect the eyes from dust and other foreign particles. How should we take care of our sense organ? Anu plays with her baby brother. As he cries, she gives him a pencil. On seeing this, Anu's mom was shocked. She quickly takes the pencil back. Do you know why? Highs. Do's, do nots. Do's. Read with proper light. நம்ம proper lightல தான் படிக்கணும். Watch television from a minimum distance of 6 feet. If you feel your eyes are itchy, wash them with clean and cold water. நம்ம 6 feet டிஸ்டன்ஸில் தான் உட்காந்து டிவி பார்க்கணும். நம்ம கண்ணில் ஏதாவது டஸ்ட் விழுந்ததுன்னா உடனே அது கோல்டு வாட்டரால் வாஷ் பண்ணணும். இதுதான் நம்ம கண்ணுக்கு கொடுக்கக்கூடிய கரெக்டான வே. Don't read to too dim or too bright light. Do not play video games or watch TV for a long time. Do not rub your eyes with your fist. Dim light உட்காந்து நம்ம படிக்கக்கூடாது, வீடியோ கேம்ஸ் எதுவுமே விளையாடக்கூடாது, நம்ம கண்ணை அடிக்கடி நிமிட்டக்கூடாது. If you find it difficult to read the classroom board from your place, tell your teacher or parents and consult a doctor. You must follow the suggestion of eye doctor. நீங்கள் கிளாஸ் ரூமில் உட்காந்துட்டு நீங்கள் படிக்கிறீங்க, உங்களுக்கு போர்டு தெரியலனா உடனே டீச்சர்கிட்டயோ அல்லது பேரண்ட்ஸ்கிட்டயோ சொல்லி ஐ டாக்டர் உடனே நம்ம கன்சல்ட் பண்ணணும். A condition known as digital eye strain is common among people working at computers all day. This condition leads to dry eyes, eye strain, blurred vision and headache. Yes. How to protect our ears? Avoid loud noise. Don't listen to music or at higher volume while using earphone or headphones. Don't clean ear with earbuds. Dry your ears after taking bath. Cover your ears while swimming and bathing. Use earplugs or earmuffs when you are exposed to loud sound. Consult a doctor if you have pain in your ear. Hearing loss cannot be prevented always, but hearing loss due to exposure to loud noise can be avoided. Noise levels are measured in decibel. Decibel தான் நம்ம noise level measure பண்ணுவோம். Any sound over 85 decibel can be harmful to us. Nose. Don't clean your nose by inserting any object into it. If the nose is blocked due to cold, it is better to use steam to clear it. Don't pick your nose. நோஸுக்குள்ளே நம்ம எந்த ஆப்ஜெக்டையும் போடக்கூடாது. சப்போஸ் பிளாக் ஆகிடுச்சு நம்ம அந்த ஸ்ட்ரீம் ஆவி பிடிச்சி அதை கிளியர் பண்ணணும். We should clean our tongue daily with the tongue cleaner while brushing our teeth. A dirty tongue causes bad breath. நம்ம டெய்லி டங்கை க்ளீன் பண்ணணும். சப்போஸ் க்ளீன் பண்ணலைன்னா அது பேட் ஸ்மெல் நமக்கு வரும். ஸ்கின். ஆல்வேஸ் யூஸ் எ மைல்டு சோப். கீப் யுவர் ஸ்கின் ட்ரை அண்ட் க்ளீன். ட்ரை யுவர் ஸ்கின் பை ரப்பிங் gently with a clean cloth. Consult your doctor when you have itching, skin injury or infection. நம்ம ஸ்கின்னுக்கு மைல்டு சோப்பு தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஸ்கின்னை க்ளீனாக வச்சுக்கணும். க்ளீன் கிளாத்தால் தான் அதை துடைக்கணும். ஏதாவது இன்ஜரி ஆச்சுன்னா உடனே டாக்டரை கன்சல்ட் பண்ணணும். Let us do. Read the given statement carefully. Write true if it is true and false if it is false. Avoid playing video games or watching TV for a long time. True. Avoid loud noise. This also true. Don't clean your nose by inserting any object into it. True. A dirty tongue causes bad breath. True. True. It also true. Dry your skin by rubbing gently with a dirt cloth. False. Let us practice. Make a figure 8 with your eyes. This is a good exercise to control the physical movement of your eyes. Draw a large figure of 8 on the floor about 10 feet in front of you. Trace the figure 8 with your eyes slowly without shaking head. Do it clockwise for a minute and anti-clockwise for few minutes. 8 என்ற மாதிரி நம்மளுடைய ஐ பால்ஸை வந்து நம்ம எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ணணும். சரியா? And then we are going to see about good touch. What are the good touch, bad touch and don't touch. In the park, Janani plays with the puppy. She runs after a butterfly to touch it. Mother: Janani, did you notice what happens when you touch the butterfly? Janani: Yes, mom. It flew away. Mother is telling, now tell me, why do you think it flew? Janani: I think it did not like my touch. அந்த பட்டர்ஃப்ளைக்கு வந்து நான் டச் பண்ணது பிடிக்கல, அதனால் அது ஓடிச்சுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஜனனி சொல்கிறா. அண்ட் தென் மதர்: மேபி இட் டிட் நாட் பட் இட் வாண்டட் டு பி சேஃப். நவ் ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு டெல் யூ 3 rules to keep yourself safe. Okay mom. Mother is telling, there are body parts that you have and others can see and touch like our arms and hands. But there are also some body parts that no one should see or touch like our chest, between our legs and our bottoms. These parts are called private part. What are they? ஒரு சில பார்ட்ஸை வந்து நம்ம கை கால் இதெல்லாம் கை இதெல்லாம் வந்து ஹார்ம்ஸ் இதெல்லாம் வந்து மற்றவங்க பார்க்கலாம். ஆனால் ஒரு சில பார்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது, அதை வந்து ப்ரைவேட் பார்ட்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்கிறோம். அதை மற்றவங்க பார்க்கக்கூடாது. என்னென்னா செஸ்ட்டு, பிட்வீன் அவர் லெக்ஸு அண்ட் பாட்டம். ஓகேவா? and then mother is telling, so now let me tell you the rule number 1. It is never right for anyone to look at, touch or talk about your private parts. And it is never right for someone older than you to ask you to look, touch or talk about their private parts. Janani is telling, but mom, don't you give me bath daily? Mother is telling, very good question. Who else know that I give you a bath? Janani is telling, dad, grandpa, grandma and Jagan know that you give me bath. Mother is telling, correct. When we are small, our mom or dad might touch us to help us to clean. It is never a secret and it is okay to tell someone about it. Janani is asking, I got it mom. It is never right for anyone to look, touch or talk about my private parts, but it is never a safe. Mother is telling, very good. Some touches are good or safe, like when we shake hands, but some touches are bad or unsafe, like when we hit someone. Can we hit someone? No, we cannot hit. Mother is telling, bad touches might make you feel sad, angry, scared or confused. If you do not like any touch or if it makes you sad, angry or scared, tell them to stop and run away. This is the rule number 2. Janani is telling, okay mom, if I do not like any touch, I scream stop and run away. And then mother is telling, very good. Now Let me tell you the rule number 3. Tell an adult you trust about the bad touch. Keep telling until you get the help you need. Janani is telling, I should tell adult I trust it till I get the help I need. Mother, Janani, remember, no matter who tells you, it is never your fault. Janani is telling, but mom, would people I know also do bad touch? Mother is telling, anyone would do. So it is important that you keep all the 3 rules in your mind, even if you know the person. Can you say the rule? Safe circle members. Member is father, mother, grandpa, grandma, sister, brother, and teacher. If someone abuses you or hurts you, you can call 1098 and get help. You are playing in the park. Someone gives you eatable things or toys. What will you do? I should not get eatable or toys from the stranger. If someone touches you, you feel uncomfortable. What will you do immediately? To whom you will inform this? I will inform to my parents or teachers.